everyone. Today I'm going to be making a tower. If you haven't already, hit the like button, turn on your notifications, and subscribe. If you have already, thank you. 15 subscribers right now, 15 seconds. And I just want to say thank you for your patience because with the Fortnite videos, we were just learning how to live stream. So yeah, so today I might be able to do it because, you know, Super Bowl, so might be able to play just for a little though. So hopefully see you guys later, and I'm going to be building a tower like I already said, so please enjoy. Second part of the tower now, we're going to be using jenga blocks. Yeah, and we've already got this. So I think it might be hard to transition, but I think I'll be able to. All right. Okay, everyone, starting jenga now. So yes, I've kind of spread it out more a little. I'm just trying to spread it out more. I think I've kind of got the hang of it, how to spread it out. Don't want to jinx myself though, so right on the edge. I think I'm doing okay. Spreading it out again. Looks so weird going in and then back out. Alright, I think I'm actually gonna have to go back to jenga. Sorry, I'm already on jenga. Back to Dominos because I'm running out of jenga. I'm running out of jenga pieces. But I have been spreading it out pretty good, I'd say. Oh no. Alright. And I am out of jenga pieces. Looks like a porta fortress. See, look at that. It's like a porta fortress. Oh my god, that actually looks like a porta fortress. Alright, that's just a little bit done. I've still got to do, I don't even know. Let's try to get a higher view. There we go. I keep on saying jenga. Domino blocks now. I so don't want to ruin this. My brain is telling me to do it, but my mind's like, don't do it. I don't want to mess this up. No, do not run out of jenga blocks. I think I'm going to have to put it on every other. Alright, let's just say this is a person. His name's Jeffrey. Yeah, that looks like a porta fortress. Oh yeah, this looks better. Well, I guess that's how you make a porta fortress. Johnny over here. Yep, that's how you make a porta fortress. Alright. I don't know how I did that. Johnny's gonna... He lost like 30 damage from fall damage. Oh my god. This is crazy. Alright, now to make... Yeah, I'm actually gonna change his name to Dominic. Dominic the Domino. He's inside his porta fortress. Oh my god, this is crazy.